my name is Anissa Muhammad with my co-partner, Brenda Leon. So now we are going to perform the different types of vertical. So let's proceed. First, I will be going to measure the body of the. So first step is vertical types. So vertical type, shoulder to shoulder. From the tip of the shoulder going to other tip. Then shoulder to neck. Bust to bust. Upper bust. And lower bust. Full back. After that, the vertical types. Shoulder to bust. Shoulder to waist. Then, down center back. Then, sleeve length. After that is leg pants. Then, crotch and thighs. And third, confidential na. The last upper arm, and leg. That's all. So now it's my turn to measure the body. So let's start. So this is belong to vertical, horizontal. So shoulder to shoulder. And then the second is shoulder to neck. So the third is bust to bust. So what part is upper bust. The fifth is lower bust. And the sixth is full back. So that's all for horizontal. So we move to vertical. So we start shoulder to back. So, the fourth is sleeve length. So, next is length of the pants. So, the next is crotch or raise. So, we're done for vertical. So, we move to circumferential. So, first is bust. This is the bust. And so, second is waist. And the third is hip. So next is sleeve hole. This is the sleeve hole. Next is bicep. Bicep, this is the bicep. And last is elbow. This is the elbow. Then next is upper arm width. This is the upper arm width. So the last one is leg width. So this is the leg fold. So that's all for the different body measurement.